I'm here at Future Design and Engineering, and they have recently made some significant investments to drive their business forward. Andy, wow, congratulations on all of your investments. It's incredible. Before we get into each and individual investment, what is it you're making here?
Well, we cover a range of industries from motorsport, aerospace, medical, you name it, we do it.
Right, okay, so investments. You've had two massive Matsuura machines go in. I mean, it was a tight fit, wasn't it?
It was, yeah, we had to measure a few times before they came in.
You could have had to chop off the ceiling to get them in.
Yeah.
And is it the Hercos? Tell me about your capacity here.
Okay, so I mean, originally we started off with Hercos. We've got 3, 4 and 5 axis capabilities on those. We've got turning centres as well. And then obviously the new investment in the Matsuuras.
So alongside the hardware, you've also invested in the software too.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, as a company, we're heading towards, or want to be moving towards Industry 4.0. And with that comes the software and the background stuff which goes with it.
So machine monitoring systems,
absolutely.
PSL data track, your tooling, vending machine, all getting connected together.
Yeah. Well, I mean, moving towards lights out machining.
And a CMM machine too?
Yeah, Mitsuya CMM, and we've invested heavily in training on that as well, so moving forward.
Exciting times ahead for you.
Absolutely, yeah, definitely.
Right, let's go speak to Simon and find out about your latest investments. Wow, not one, but two MAM 72 machines. I mean, what an investment that you've just made, Simon.
It was, yes, yeah. The last 6 months have been a roller coaster. Yeah, really great, really great.
And what was the reason behind then the purchase? I know that Andy said about having the unmanned run is essentially the main reason.
Yeah, so that's one of the reasons. Obviously the quality of the machine, the service that we get from Matsuura is outstanding, and the lights out package and the quality of work is just, you can't say no more than that.
I guess the Matsuura has a name for itself in the industry and people associate it with quality. So why have you gone for these particular machines?
Yes, you're right. With the name Matsuura comes quality. With the automation, we can offer a lights out package as well as the high quality machining that it offers.
And how are you finding the machines at the moment? They're both working, they're grafting away as your engineers are.
Yeah.
So how have they been?
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. The service we've got from Matsuura, the training, it's very quick to get them up and running. Yes, been outstanding.
And what machines are they replacing, or aren't they? I don't know.
So they've replaced 5 vertical machines, which we've actually moved into another unit, so we haven't actually lost them. So yeah, these 2 machines are equivalent to 5 spindles, really.
And to finish with, how has this year been for you?
Certainly ups and downs. Obviously, airline has dropped a lot. We've picked up new business, new customers. The staff have been brilliant. They've been so flexible. It's been fantastic. And obviously we've used the government C-bills loans to help fund this as well. So all being good, we're here for the future.